Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we're going to go over how to annotate on top of a PowerPoint when using Microsoft Whiteboard. So let's get started. First things first is I'm going to go ahead and click on my Windows Start button and type in Whiteboard because we are going to use Microsoft Whiteboard. And like we installed it earlier and made sure it was all ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. At this point, we're going to go through Create New Whiteboard. Now it might try to kind of take you through a tutorial. Go ahead and go through that, skip it, do whatever you need to, but get to this point. Create new whiteboard. Once I'm here, I have my virtual whiteboard here. And at this point, I am going to go down to my tools and click on the Insert menu. When I tap on that, I'm presented with a couple of choices. I'm going to choose PowerPoint document. I'm now going to go through my PowerPoints to make sure I pull in the correct one. There's my PowerPoint that I want to annotate on top of. I'm going to go ahead and open that. And you'll notice that it has all 4 slides here. If I wanted to just insert one slide, I can click on that one and insert selected, or I can insert all slides. I'm just going to do this one for right now. Click insert, and it's now there. I can maneuver this, I can resize it, I can do whatever I want. However, the first thing that you're probably going to want to do and get into the habit of is locking. So when I click on an image or a slide, whatever you want to call it, I can lock it to the background. Now it becomes part of the background and it moves with it. I cannot accidentally move it. Now it is time for us to Screencast-O-Matic. I'm going to pull that up, have that on cue, on deck, ready to go. Launch my free recorder. And it should show up down there. Perfect. Now, I'm going to want to grab my inking mode pens. And at this point, I can use my finger. So I'm going to cue this up. I'm going to have my highlighter ready. And I'm going to go ahead and start using my Microsoft Whiteboard. Click record. Hey, everyone. This is the Spinning Jenny. We're going to talk about this. And remember, there's our inventor, James Hargreaves. Okay. Now, there's a couple things I want to point out to you guys here. Remember that this tool was actually the first one that utilized interchangeable parts. Forgot to spell interchangeable. And all I'm doing is I'm using my tools that are available to me here in Microsoft Whiteboard, such as this note tool, and all I did was click here. Actually, I'm sorry. Click on my add note. I can add text directly here and say interchangeable parts. And this is just an object that I can now move, center, change the background, do all that good stuff. So I'm doing this all in Microsoft Whiteboard. Here's my pen tools. It's got a really cool Galaxy pen. If you want to change the thickness, you tap on it again. So let's change the thickness. Look at that, pretty cool. It's also got an eraser tool, or if I wanted to clear everything in one shot, I can actually go up here to the top right hand corner and clear canvas. But as you can see, that is how you can pull a PowerPoint into Microsoft Whiteboard, annotate, and then record using your Screencast-O-Matic.